In this video we will create the chart for the positive deviations. In the first step we will place our chart with the last year values in the cell C21 until J33. In this case we mark our chart, then press the Alt key and press the left mouse key here in the top left of the chart, and we pull it to the cell C21 and press also the Alt key. We go to the right bottom of the chart, press the left mouse key and we pull it here to cell G33. That's the first step. Then we copy the chart, fill it in here, and then we mark the chart and right mouse key. We say change chart type and select a stack column. Okay. Then we mark the values and delete it. Mark the chart, right mouse key and select data. We remove the value of maximum and we add the positive values from cell G8 until G19. Okay. Then we make a double click on the last year values and grab this over 300%. Then we will mark the last year values and go to the bucket and we say no fill. Then we mark the positive values, go to the bucket, go to more colors and we select a dark green color. That's the first step. Then we will make a double click on the chart and we say no fill. Close the window. So now we need the headline numbers, and in the first step we need the positive and last year values, so the sum of the positive and last year values. In this case we mark our chart, right mouse key, select data, we add and name it headline numbers, and we take the cells A8 until I19. Okay, and okay. And we mark the headline number, right mouse key, change series chart type, and here at headline numbers we select the chart, so the scatter, and we click on OK. In the next video we will add the different positive deviation numbers.